Then Velvet 8 cashback. So ito yung magandang feature dito guys. Kasi alam nyo ba, enjoy 800 pesos cashback if you spend at least 8,000 every 8 of the month. What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about China Bank Velvet Visa Signature Credit Card. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung fees and charges, at the same time yung annual fees of course. Lalong-lalo na yung perks and benefits. Kasi bawat credit card ay may kanya-kanyang functions or benefits. Kumbaga, kapag meron kayo neto, pwede nyong ma-enjoy kung ano yung ino-offer nila. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share na mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, China Bank Velvet Visa Signature. Eh nakita yung Michelle D. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, si Michelle D yung sole heiress ng China Bank. Share ko lang. Marites kasi ako. So, yun, nasingit ko lang. Ngayon, let's talk about its benefits if you are a China Bank Velvet Visa Signature Credit Card holder. So, unang-una guys, is yung Velvet Welcome Gift. Pero bago yun guys, nais ko munang magbigay ng disclaimer. So, hindi lahat ng oras guys, mangyayari tong offer nila which is yung welcome gift. Kasi from time to time, binabago nila yung offer nila. Kaya naman, baka kasi magtaka kayo bakit hindi na ganun yung offer, baka binago na nila yung promo. Sa ngayon, yung existing promo nila is yung Enjoy Free Pandora Classic Bracelet and charm with a minimum spend of 6,000 within 60 days from card delivery date. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Ma-avail nyo itong freebie or yung welcome gift nila kapag nakapag-spend kayo within 60 days after the card delivery date worth 6,000 minimum. So, ibig sabihin, it's okay lang na lumagpas. Baka kasi isipin nyo, nasaktuhin nyo lang talaga ng 6,000. Okay lang lumagpas. Basta hindi bumaba sa 6,000 within 60 days from card delivery date. So, ma-avail nyo yung free Pandora Classic Bracelet. So, ang social nun guys, Pandora, may class. May mga pwesto sila sa SM. At saka itong Red Velvet Visa Signature Card guys, nakikita ko yung napakaganda mukha ni Miss Michelle di sa mga billboards dun sa SM North EDSA. Kapag dumaan kayo dun papuntang The Block, sa mga nakakapunta ng SM North EDSA, mula kayo sa main mall, pag pumunta kayo ng The Block, parang may big screen doon. May mga aquarium, mga isda-isda, ganyan. At saka, pina-flash yung napakagandang mukha ni Miss Michelle D doon. Kaya naman curious ako at nag-research ako on how or what are the benefits of China Bank Velvet Visa Signature para ma-share ko sa inyo. So, yun, commercial. Then next is Velvet Special Deals. Enjoy up to 50% off on shopping, including beauty products, wellness, jewelry, home goods, and more. So, parang yung mangyayari dyan, guys, is magpapadali sila ng information. What I am trying to say is they will send you infos to your registered email address or mobile number para malaman mo kung ano yung existing promos nila. 50% yun, guys, sa restaurants, sa beauty and wellness. Napakagandang oportunidad kung kayo ay isang credit card holder ni China Bank which is yung Velvet Visa Signature Card. Then Velvet 8 cashback. So ito yung magandang feature dito guys. Kasi alam nyo ba, enjoy 800 pesos cashback if you spend at least 8,000 every 8 of the month. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Sa bawat petsa 8 ng buwan and every 8 date of the month, kapag nakapag-spend kayo ng worth 8,000 within that day, may cashback kayong 800 pesos. O diba, saan ka pa 800 pesos? Napakalaking bagay nun guys. Napakaraming Starbucks coffee or iced coffee na yung mabibili nyo doon. Visa Concierge, a 24/7 digital personal assistant and lifestyle guide allowing you to access extraordinary experiences each and every day. So there's a dedicated customer service na kung saan kailangan nyo ng assistance or any further details regarding what to do. So may dedicated customer service siya which is yung Visa Concierge. Knowing na ito ay isang Visa Signature Credit Card. Then ito, Velvet Rewards. Earn 1 reward point for every 30 pesos qualified spend. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Kapag nag-spend kayo worth 30 pesos and above, halimbawa 60 pesos, 90 pesos, so minimum of 30 pesos, 1 point agad yun. So kung 60, 90 or 120, so kung 62 points, kung 93 points, of course, kung 124 points yung ma-earn nyo within that transaction. Kapag qualified siya. Hindi qualified dyan yung converting your credit limit into cash, hindi po qualified yun yung quasi-cash, hindi po qualified doon. Kapag nag-spend lang kayo or swipe nyo yung card nyo sa merchant, yun lang yung qualification. Asia's 50 best restaurants. Get access to select Asia's 50 best restaurants with offers and perks via reaching out to Visa Concerts. So all you have to do is to connect with Visa Concerts 24/7, which is yung sinasabi kong dedicated customer service regarding this promo. Asia's 50 best restaurant for further details. So kung meron na kayo, mabilis lang mag-reach out sa 24/7 Visa Concerts services. Visa e-commerce purchase protection, of course, lahat ng credit card meron naman ganito, meron din sila. Hindi pwedeng mawalan si China Bank Velvet Visa Signature Credit Card. Then ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee at the same time yung fees and charges. Ngayon yung annual fee niya guys is worth 3,500 pesos. At saka naka-waive siya for the first year. So anong ibig sabihin nun? After anniversary date ng inyong credit card, kung kailan kayo na-approve, after 1 year, saka mag-reflect yung charge na 3,500 as annual fee. Huwag kayo magugulat dun. Then, naka-waive kasi yung first year, kaya on the second year siya mag-charge. At saka ito guys, yung late payment fee, of course, hindi mawawala yun, 750 pesos or the unpaid minimum amount due, whichever is lower. If no payment is received on or before payment due date or payment is less than the minimum amount due. So, ano ibig sabihin na to guys, whichever is lower, kapag yung minimum amount you guys is nasa 600, yun yung i-charge sa late payment fee. Ngayon kung lumagpas ng 750, uabot ng 1,000, 750 lang yung i-charge kasi nakalagay whichever is lower. Sana naklaro ko yun. Quasi-cash fee. A 200 peso service fee shall be charged on transactions that are representative of actual cash or items, instruments that are easily convertible to cash, which may be transferred, negotiated, and serve as tender. So, ano ibig sabihin ng quasi-cash fee? So, ibig sabihin nito guys, kapag nag-cash in kayo using your credit card, using your China Bank Velvet Visa Signature Credit Card to your Maya account, to your Grab account, considered as quasi-cash fee yung i-charge na 200 pesos doon. Then yung card replacement fee, halimbawa nawala, nagkaroon ng problema, gusto nyo magpa-replace, parang feeling nyo na-compromise, ngayon mag-initiate kayo mag-request ng replacement, 500 pesos yun guys, sa bawat card replacement. Then yung card upgrade or downgrade fee, 1,000 pesos kung gusto nyo mag-upgrade, kung gusto nyo mag-downgrade ng card. Whether it's upgrade or downgrade, 1,000 pesos. Then yung temporary credit limit increase fee, kung gusto nyo magpa-increase ng temporary credit limit, 300 pesos for regular processing within 48 hours and 500 pesos for rush processing of increase in credit limit. So kung nagmamadali kayo, 500 pesos. Kung hindi naman, within 48 hours, yung crediting ng temporary requested credit limit nyo, so 300 pesos lang siya. Installment pre-termination fee, 5% of the remaining unpaid installment balance or 500 pesos whichever is higher. So kapag gusto nyo tapusin yung installment purchase ninyo, installment cash ninyo, so, yung mangyayari guys is 5% nun guys. Halimbawa, yung 5% is hindi umabot ng 500, automatic 500 kasi whichever is higher. Kung lumagpas naman ng 500, so ibig sabihin yun yung masusunod kasi whichever is higher nga siya. Plus, yung remaining principal amount ng loan ninyo. Then yung refund fee guys is 300 pesos for each overpayment refund request. Halimbawa, nag-overpayment kayo, so gusto nyo ipa-refund, yung refund fee niya is 300 pesos every overpayment refund requests. Account maintenance fees for canceled or closed accounts with credit balance. So what do you mean by credit balance? Yung para may overpayment kayo doon na natira. Kapag hindi nyo nagalaw yung credit card ninyo within 12 months, mag-charge siya ng 200 pesos, whichever is lower. So kung lumagpas ng 200 pesos yung i-charge hanggat sa mag-zeroed out yung account ninyo. Then yung over limit fee. So dapat alam nyo guys, may over limit fee si China Bank. 500 pesos is charged usage beyond the assigned credit limit. So I think that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!